everyone. Today's how you doing? Today's recipe is anchovy curry. Check out, all the ingredients are right here. Onion, garlic, green chili, curry leaves, chopped tomatoes, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, salt. This is tamarind. The first thing we're gonna do, we'll soak tamarind. Marinate fish with salt, chili, and turmeric. Let's heat up the pot. Add 4 tablespoons of oil. Add curry leaves, garlic, chop onion, and we'll cook until it's soft. Add fresh green chili now. Mix it well, cook it. So let's make the sauce ready. I'll add all the spice here with some water and mix it well. Let's mix it well. Now it looks nice and golden brown. Now it's time to add chopped tomatoes. Add chopped tomatoes, cook until it softs. You see the difference now? Wow. Look at that. The tomatoes is cooked. So now it's time to add a spice now. Add a spice paste now. Start cooking. So that's the tamarind water we soaked before in the beginning. So get rid of that pulp and use the tamarind water only. Yeah, this is what we need. Smells so nice and so delicious. Wow, so. Add some of water, 3 cups of water. You can add 4 cups as well. Now we're gonna add slowly. Wow, smells so amazing. This is amazing. This is so nice and easy. Let's turn it down. Anybody can make this curry. Look at that. Look at that. So beautiful and tasty. So tempting. Let's bowl up. Presentation is more important than anything else. So amazing taste. Hopefully you're gonna love it. Look at that. Taste is so marvelous. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Do me a favor, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned.